This is a video that will help you to run regressions. This is the problem we're going to try to solve. Do Oscar winners live 5 years longer than those who don't win that Oscar? To work this problem, we have the movie actors data file that contains 299 entries done by the MBA students at Hall to Buy campus in October 2012, and the data they gathered contains the name of the actor, the age in which the actor was deceased, the born in which the actor was, the year in which the actor was born, and then 3 dummy variables that are winner, nominee, and female. For winner, if it has a 0, it means that it's not a winner of an Oscar. When you find a 1, that means that the actor or the actress won indeed an Oscar. For nominee, same, but in this case just being nominated. So notice how there are some actors that were nominees but did not win Oscar, and of course every actor that has a 1 on the winner then also has a 1 nominee. And for female, what we're trying to differentiate here is gender. The way you need to construct a dummy variable is you always use one less variable than the possible values available. In this case, we have gender. The possible values could be female, male and female. So because I have 2 options for a dummy variable, I only choose 1. And you could choose either one. I'm going to choose female, and then 0 and 1 represents the gender. So when female is 0, it means that we're talking about an actor. When female is 1, it means that we're talking about an actress. This is how you construct dummy variables. Now, it's important before you start running any regression that you try to capture the right data. So in this case, having the year in which the actor was born is extremely relevant, although what we're trying really to predict is whether being a winner of an Oscar makes you live longer. We also know that the life expectancy changes throughout the time. So in the 1850s, the life expectancy for humanity was a bit lower than the life expectancy in later years. So for example, someone that was born in the 1940s had a life expectancy higher than those actors that were born 100 years before those. So every time that you're trying to run regression, even though the variable that we are really concerned about is winner, if I can pull up data that also influences the variable we're trying to explain, in this case age of death, you should bring it in, because that will make your model more robust and you will not be confusing the effects of one of the other. Similarly, it's important to have gender, because we also know that some studies have said that the life expectancy for females, for women, are higher than for males. So once again, not to confuse the effect on the age of death by being an Oscar winner with gender, we need to identify that. And let's see what happens. Maybe we find that one of these variables are not very relevant.